Hey, this is Captain Phillip with Airworthy Tours, your guide in the sky, and today's aerial tour is of Cabo San Lucas, so let's get started. Cabo San Lucas is known as the end of the earth due to being the last piece of land in the Baja California Peninsula. The Baja Peninsula is approximately 760 miles long and 25 to 150 miles wide, making it larger than the entire Italian peninsula. Cabo is a major tourist destination, and in 2019 the city saw 5.5 million visitors. Cabo's tourism industry begins in 1956 with the construction of the Palmilla Hotel. However, traveling to the area was challenging due to the lack of infrastructure. But that did not stop Rod Rodriguez, the son of a former Mexican president, would help put Cabo on the map by investing in the construction of multiple hotels. The investment would pay off in the 1960s when Hollywood stars like Lucille Ball, John Wayne, Frank Sinatra, and Bing Crosby began to vacation here. The development of Cabo's tourism industry prompted the Mexican government to develop infrastructure to turn Cabo San Lucas into a major center for tourism in Mexico, beginning in 1973 with the construction of the Federal Highway 1. Now, let's talk about some activities, starting with the beaches. Unfortunately, many of the beaches are unsuitable for swimmers due to the strong waves and undercurrents of the Sea of Cortez. However, the beaches of Madonna, Chileno, Palmilla, Santa Maria, and the Canary Beaches are good for swimming. Below is the marina, which is the tourist hub of Cabo. Here you'll find whale watching tours, kayaking excursions, and luxury boat trips. The oceanfront restaurants serve fresh ceviche and tacos, while the high-end boutiques and casual stores of the Golden Zone shopping area draw in shoppers from all over the world. Cabo in the Baja Peninsula is a paradise for fishermen. The city is known as the striped marlin capital of the world. Other sport fish you can catch in its waters are black and blue marlins, yellowfin tuna, dorado / mahi-mahi, groupers, and much more. And our last stop is the Arch of Cabo San Lucas, which is the region's most known natural landmark. It is here where the Pacific Ocean becomes the Gulf of California. The arch was formed after millions of years of wind, erosion, and waves, and is a must-see when coming to Cabo. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's tour, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be a part of future aerial tours. And we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.